In this lesson, we will master ordering at a Spanish cafe. It is perfect for seniors who want to feel confident, not confused. We will start by listening to a simple interaction. Then, we'll break down the polite key phrase. Finally, we'll do a 5-second memory test to make sure it sticks. En el café. Buenos días. Quisiera un café solo. ¿Algo más? No, gracias. Solo el café. Aquí tiene. Muchas gracias. Let's look at the polite key. In English, we say, I want. In Spanish, quiero can sound too strong for a mature speaker. Instead, use quisiera. Quisiera. It means I would like. It's elegant. It's respectful. Quisiera un café. Repeat it with me. Quiera. Now, let's test your memory without subtitles. Number 1. How do you say I would like to sound polite? Number 2. What is the word for nothing else? Number 3. How do you greet the waiter in the morning? To help you learn more real-life terms like these, we've prepared the Easy Spanish for Seniors course. It uses memory hooks designed specifically for mature brains. No fast talking, just clear guidance. Link in the description below.